going to be mufrad, or it's going to be muthanna, or it's going to be jam. And jam is plural. So what we are discussing now is the plural. So what happens if you want to change a word from mufrad to jam'un? So we are not discussing dual at the moment. We are saying singular to plural. Then when you change any word from singular to plural, it has to come, and it has to be, either it's going to be marfu'un, or it could be mansubun, or it has to be majroor. So that is the example we discussed before, that when a noun is a singular noun, mufrad, like waladun, when it's singular, waladun. But when you're changing waladun to a plural, then it's either going to be broken plural or sound plural. Any plural you get, either you're going to break it or you're going to leave it sound. So what is, I just want to explain the difference between a broken plural and a sound plural. So waladun is singular when it is marfu'un. Okay? How are you going to say waladun when it's mansubun? Wala? Done. Okay? And how are you going to say it when it's majroorun? Waladin. So, waladun, waladan, waladin. Another example of plural. If I give you a word like muslimun, change it to mansub, musliman. Change it to majroor, muslimin. Okay? So you have muslimun, musliman, and muslimin. Question is, if I want to change waladun to a plural, we have to decide, are you going to make it a broken plural or a signed plural? So the plural of waladun is, yes, awladun. When it's mansub, it is awladan. When it's majroor, it's going to be awladin. So you have awladun, awladan, awladin. So now this is an example of broken plural. Okay, this is an example of broken plural when it's marfu'un, when it's mansubun, and when it's majroor. So now muslimun is also singular. Muslimun, musliman, muslimin. But the question is, if I change muslimun to a plural, then it's going to be a sound plural. Why is it sound plural? Because all we are doing, we are going to add waw and noon at the end. So we say muslimuna. So we just added waw and noon. We've left the singular the same. We never interfere with the singular. Muslimun, add waw and noon. But now if I want to make it mansub, then when it's mansub, you're going to say muslimina. And when it's majroor, it's going to be muslimina. That is the difference. When you're changing it to, okay, muslimin, you're adding ya and noon at the end. Adding ya and noon at the end. So what we can do, we can say the rule is that when a noun, all nouns, when it is mufrad or jam'un mukassar, when it's broken plural. So remember this rule. All singular nouns and all broken plurals, when it is marfu'un, it takes a dhamma. When it is mansubun, it takes a fatha. When it is majroorun, it takes a kasra. So you have waladun, waladan, waladin. Muslimun, musliman, muslimin. Awladun, awladun, awladin. So therefore you're going to exclude sound masculine plurals, because when you sound masculine plurals, it doesn't take dhamma, it will take waw and nun. It doesn't take fatha, it will take ya and nun. It doesn't take kasra in the genitive case, it will take ya and nun. So that is a special rule that you need to know. All broken plurals, when they are singular, or all nouns, to summarize it, and then we will end for salah. All singular nouns and broken plurals. Take dhamma, meaning it is raf'un. Take dhamma in nominative case. Fatha, meaning nasbun in accusative case. And kasra in genitive case. So what it is? Raf'un, nasbun and jarrun. That's what it really is. Because not always it takes a kasra, but that we will have to discuss. Just for now, understand it like this. And later on we will try and elucidate further. We will now proceed for salah.